Hello, families. Many of you wanted to see what it would look like to log in and complete these assignments that are assigned today. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you how to do that starting from here in the virtual classroom. So in the virtual classroom, I go down. Whenever there is a green circle, that is an assignment. So I'll just go ahead and start on this first one, clicking on the clipboard. And then going to instructions. There's the info here. It tells them that they need to play for 20 minutes, that they are not needed to finish today. I give you their class code and I give you a link. Their passwords are in their email. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click here. And I'm going to go to sign in. And just because of the situation we're in right now, we're not clicking on home, we are clicking on class, and we're going to type in YKOXSV, and that'll take you to this screen with all the kids' avatars. So we're going to use my demo, Zristine, to left click, and putting in the password for Splash Math, I think is what I called it on there. They recently changed their name, is book 15. So I go into Zristine's account. And right here it says assignments. So if your student has other uncompleted assignments, they can certainly do those like this student does. However, we are going to be working on measurements, so they're going to start in length. So next to length here, you push start. And it automatically goes into their learning. So they will be trying to fill up the bar on the side. All right, so that is using Splash Learn. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close this out. And I'm going to go back to the virtual classroom. I'm still in this, but if I click right here, it goes right back to the stream. And I'm going to click here for sight words. Once again, I need to click on instructions. All of the passwords were sent to emails, but I'm going to click on my link. And I need to do a student. That will not be your student's info. If your student's info is there, you simply need to click on this. But in this case, it is not. So I'm going to log in on my demo student. All the kids' password is 213. I can check if I need to. And I'm going to sign in. You can, personally, if that comes up for you, I would hit save. It's up to you. And we have this section right here. These are the assignments. The kids know that there are other things that they can work on, but the thing that I am grading is this, and this is the list that they are working on. So my demo student was working on list 10, and there are 8 activities to work on in list 10. They can go in any order, so I'm just going to click on this one and choose play for word on. Okay, so I'm going to say I want to do the caterpillar and play. Play. Okay. Okay. So everyone, that is spelling city. the students need to work on the activity for their list, it will be working on 10 specific words for them. If they finish all those activities and they still really want to work in Spelling City, they can work on another list or they can work on any of the other things, but these need to be first. I will be able to see who did what, and I'll be marking that off in our little attendance book. So back here in the virtual classroom, you can see we've been saying different things. There is an assignment from the other day, and if I click on it and go to instructions, I need to watch a YouTube video first. So it's going to go to the YouTube video. Make sure you watch it from the beginning. It is me talking about farms, and unfortunately, it is not the most exciting video in the whole world, but there is an activity that goes with it that I do need. So we have this quiz. Parents, you're going to have to read them the questions, which is not a detail we recorded in our notes. Click it, move on. I'm not going to do it right now because I don't actually know what that'll do to my classroom. But there's 4 questions that your students need to answer about this. All right, trying to keep things short. I will look at this other one. Yesterday I didn't quite know what I was doing yet, but yesterday I did assign the kids to work on ABC Mouse, and I did not do links or anything because I'm learning new things every day. But in order to do ABC Mouse, I'm going to show you that right now. You're simply going to go to abcmouse.com. All right, and it will come to this screen. No, it won't. I'm kidding. Yours. Go. Let's pretend this never happened. Let's get this out of here. Okay, pretending that never happened. All right, you go to abcmouse.com and you're going to end up on this screen if you've never been here before. And you will go to log in, and you will all be typing in my email address because the type of account I have for the kids has them as I would sign into a tablet at school and then hand it to them. So you're going to type in my email, knvargas1@cps.edu. And then just like in other cases where they have a password, it is BRADWELL3 with a capital B. It's Bradwell with a capital B. And you go to log in. Now you come to this screen. And so from here is where I can see what the kids have been up to. So I would go here to monitor, and you can see that Anthony began working in here yesterday. So he has 2 days worth of work right here. And he is green. So when your child logs in, I'll be able to see if they met their goal of 15 activities in 45 minutes. And then, so now let me show you what you need to do. Back up. It'll go student login, and then your child will pick their character. So I'm going to pick Tyrese because why not? And then you will see this screen. From this screen, they can work anywhere in here and do 15 activities.